Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your engine's acting up and you're not sure why, it might be your VVT solenoid going bad. The VVT solenoid is an important component that helps optimize valve timing. It uses oil pressure to adjust valve opening and closing events based on driving conditions. This helps provide better power efficiency, emissions, and engine performance. However, like anything, they can fail over time, leading to some noticeable symptoms. So, in this video, I'll outline the 6 major signs of a busted VVT solenoid. That way you can identify if yours is on the fritz. First up, rough or uneven idle speeds. If your engine RPM is fluctuate up and down at stoplights or the car shakes while idling, it's often the VVT struggling to fine-tune the valve train timing. Another giveaway is knocking or pinging coming from the engine bay. This noise results from improper combustio and the actual piston rattling around. Again, the root cause ties back to bad valve timing. From the solenoid, you may also feel down on power. Acceleration might start dragging, seeming sluggish, or the engine feels like you've lost some mpgs. Versus normal operation in this case. Incorrect timing prevents ideal airflow and engine output. The next sign is your dashboard lights commo. Specifically, check engine lights related to intake or exhaust timing control, as well as CAM's crank sensor codes. For example, P0013, P0010, P0012, P0015, P0053 are commo. The VVT solenoid communicates with these components, so faults can show up across these systems. Engine misfires are another common symptom that something is wrong with the VVT solenoid. What happens is, the faulty solenoid causes the variable valve timing system to advance or retard the camshafts incorrectly. This throws off when the intake and exhaust valves open and close relative to piston movement. Under the hood, watch for oil leaks near the VVT housing. A damaged solenoid can crack and leak oil externally, so inspect the sealing surfaces and externally electrical connections for any dripping or residue buildup. Finally, difficulty starting the motor. If your engine cranks over, but won't fire up or takes longer than normal to start, it could stem from improper valve timing. The cylinders aren't getting the right air-fuel mix, which prevents ignition. So in summary, rough idling, knocking noises down on power warning lights, oil leaks, and hard starting are telltale indicators. Your VVT solenoid requires replacement. Catching them early prevents further engine wear and damage down the road. If you suspect your variable valve timing control is acting up, have it checked. Often the solenoid itself fails and just needs swapping out, or there may be deeper electrical issues amiss. Either way, we'll get your ride back up and running smoothly. Don't forget to give us a like if this helped you out and subscribe for more DIY car repair tips. Thanks for watching.